This is a product testing review of the Tenker. Is it DO104? It's a selfie drone. It's got telemetry on the screen. It's got battery life on the screen. It's got a headless mode. It's got 3 speeds. It's a very wonderful craft. It's very underrated. It's tough as a tank. I'm in the shade because it is hot as Hades here today. And I'm actually using my phone as the camcorder. Okay, this drone takes wonderful pictures. I mean, I'm in a bad spot where I cannot get you any really great videos because I didn't feel good today. But I'm telling you, it is a wonderful drone. And you know, like 50 bucks, people, I've seen a few reviewers about, oh, this ain't, brother, you're not gonna get no DJI for no $50. But I tell you what, this is a 2S capable drone that has several different colors. I got the black one. I would recommend a different color. You see how it goes in and out the trees here and it blends in. I've got poor vision, and I love this drone. It's very capable. I mean, it do pirouettes, and that's in second gears. I call it, or 2-speed. Here's third. Let's do it in third. I mean, she's tight. I mean, she'll get out there with the best of them. And it's got 2 AAA batteries to power the transmitter, which personally I think they should have been 4, because this thing has got phenomenal range. I mean, it really does. And but as far as the video, oh man, it takes beautiful video. And like I said, I'm using my phone to do a review because I haven't done it before like this. And instead of using my phone as the FPV on the drone, I'm holding my phone on the drone phone holder to do like a VCR. I mean, you know, like a camcorder. So, and you get about, the last few times I flew it, now I do have a pet peeve. The charger they sent with it, the little small USB charger, gets hot. I happen to have a tad better charger that's got the little box on it. It's only like $6. But the other one works. The one that come with it works, but the one I got is just a step above the charger that come with it, and I like it better. Charson makes a very good USB, balance port only style charger. Where this thing, I think I got it out to about 70 meters. It's so snaky and limmy and everything here. I'm not going to push the fact here with it. I just wanted to do a little small. I mean, and truthfully, I did a no-no. I didn't even calibrate it. The very thing you need to do with a drone like this is to make sure the lens is locked. And we got wind today, and watch it hover. And honestly, when you fly this thing with just a phone, if you're a phone flyer, oh God, you're gonna love it. I mean, you really gonna love it if you can fly with a phone, because it just changes the characteristics of this drone completely. I mean, it turns it into like a baby Tello or something. It's got a proprietary battery, which makes it fit flush. You know what I mean? It gives it that fighter pilot kind of look. It's a very nice drone. It's one of my favorites. You can fold it up. You can put it in your ashtray or whatever, in your glove compartment, your console, in your pocket. And like say you hiking, say you don't feel good and you want to go look further on up. Hey, take this and you got Wi-Fi, FPV. Also, this drone will bind to the Wi-Fi boosters that is powered by the little USB sticks. And that will make it go all the way to the end of the road and back. And it makes the FPV, Wi-Fi FPV, hang right there with it. And if you fly it with a phone like that, I mean, you'll get 100 meters easy. And with a 7, 8, 10 minute flight time, people say, well, there ain't no time. Hey, brother, that's a pretty good while when you're having fun. You know, even the drones that cost, you know, like $800 don't get a whole lot more than that. I've got a DJI Spark, and this here gets almost the same flight time as the DJI Spark. And the Fly More kit with it, which is basically what I got with this, minus the extra battery, was like $800, and this was 55 or something. I had some Amazon points or something. I saved a few bucks. And the seller has got great communication. That's one-handed flying, altitude hold for beginners. Now, another thing, this being a 2S power, which means 7.4, these motors get warm just like the Hubsan H502E or anything like that. So you need to let it rest. All right, low battery warning right then. You hear that? It tells you, look, it's coming back to me. Low battery warning. It's coming back to the controller where I took off and landing by itself. That's DJI Spark technology right there for 50 bucks. This is John Holland signing out for Tenker. And my wife Ann Holland bought me this drone, and I love you, baby. Thank you very much.